Hello, my name is Germán Oliva. I am the chef of the Embassy of Mexico in Japan. And today we're going to cook a Mexican recipe with the delicious ingredients that I found at Chiba Prefecture. I'm going to explain the ingredients that we're going to use for the sauce that we're going to make. The name of the sauce is pipian. So the ingredients are tomato from Chiba, peanuts, onion, olive oil, garlic, cumin, paprika, and salt and pepper. The main ingredient that we're going to use for this preparation is going to be pork meat. Also, we're going to make a salad that is going to be a cider for the dish, and it's going to be made with shiitake, ren kon, yuzu, and Mitsuba. First, what I'm gonna do is just to peel the peanuts. In my town called Colima, we produce peanuts, and it's one of the most important locations that peanuts are produced in Mexico. So my state is very recognized by the peanuts, the quality of peanuts that it produces. What we're gonna do next is to roast them. And I'm going to pour them to the fry pan, and I'm going to roast them. We have to be very careful because we don't want to get the peanuts burned. I just want to roast them. If they get burned, there's going to be bitter. They are going to have a bitter taste. So now they are roasted, as you can see. We're going to put them back in the bowl, and I'm going to start to roast my vegetables, onion and tomato. So I'm going to let here these vegetables around 5 minutes until they get roasted, okay? Also, I'm going to season my pork meat. So I'm going to add some salt and pepper from both sides, okay? I'm going to season both sides. The tomato and onion is ready. So what I'm going to do is just to put everything in a mixer. Also, I'm going to add the peanuts and garlic. I'm going to add half cup of water, and I'm going to grind it. After 30 seconds, I'm going to add paprika, cumin, and salt and pepper. And I'm going to grind it again. I'm going to add 1 spoon of olive oil. The main aroma that it has is peanuts. So once that is my olive oil is a little bit warm, what I'm going to do is just pour it. And I'm going to mix it. I'm going to let it boil around 3 minutes so it can reduce and get thicker. It's perfect. So for the salad that I'm going to use with the preparation, I'm going to take out this part of the shiitake. What I'm going to do is just add a little bit of olive oil in the middle. And salt and pepper as well. And I'm going to cut slices of reんこん. Not very thick. 3 or 2 minutes because I want to be cooked, but also al dente, you know, a little bit hard, because after I'm going to grill it. Place my shiitake in my fry pan and also the reんこん. If you want, you can add some salt and pepper. And I'm going to use the same fry pan to cook the pork meat. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. So first, I'm going to sear the pork meat by both sides, and after that, I'm going to add a little bit of water to get perfectly cooked the pork. This is a perfect Japanese herb that we can use for salads. That's why I decided to use it. Once that we have this, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Main flavor that we're going to use for this salad is going to be a yuzu zest. So just be careful, because if you take this white part, it's going to turn a little bit bitter taste. So I just want the zest. I'm going to mix very, very well. So I already have done the pipian sauce, the vegetables, the grilled vegetables, the salad with Mitsuba, and my pork. It's already cooked. So first, I'm going to place the pipian sauce in the middle of the plate. After that, I'm going to grab the pork meat and I'm going to plate the vegetables as well. I'm going to add a little bit of salad. And that's it. We would like to add this preparation to the recipe that you can find at the Embassy of Mexico in Japan. I'm so sure that the ambassador of Mexico in Japan is going to love it.